Chapter 2: Odd Couple, The Two Steves. In the exciting world of technology and innovation, there's a fascinating story of an unusual partnership that changed the course of history. It's the tale of two young visionaries, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, often referred to as the Two Steves. Their journey began with a shared passion for electronics, a penchant for pranks, and a device known as the Blue Box. This chapter explores the early adventures of Jobs and Wozniak and how they paved the way for the birth of Apple Incorporation, a company that would go on to revolutionize the world of technology. The Blue Box discovery. The fascinating journey of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak began with a chance discovery that would ignite their passion for technology and innovation. It all started when Wozniak stumbled upon an article in Esquire, a popular magazine of the time. This article uncovered the world of hackers and phone phreakers individuals who had cracked the code for making free long-distance calls using a clever technique. Their secret weapon was the ability to replicate the unique tones that directed signals on the vast AT&T telephone network. The moment Wozniak laid eyes on this revelation, he was filled with excitement and curiosity. Unable to contain his enthusiasm, he rushed to share this newfound knowledge with his close friend, Steve Jobs. Little did they know that this discovery would set the stage for their first grand technological adventure. The birth of the Blue Box. Upon learning about the intriguing world of phone phreaking, Jobs and Wozniak decided to embark on their own adventure. They envisioned creating a device that could generate the essential tones required to make free long-distance calls, just like the phone phreakers they had read about. Jobs, even back then, displayed his entrepreneurial spirit and foresight. He saw more than just a hobby. He saw the potential to turn this idea into a profitable venture. With boundless enthusiasm and determination, the two Steves set out to design their own Blue Box, a compact device that would unlock the world of free communication. They meticulously sourced the necessary components, carefully pieced together the Blue Box, and strategically set its price point for potential buyers. Their vision turned into a reality, and soon enough, their product gained popularity, leading to respectable profits. Handles and pranks. As Jobs and Wozniak delved deeper into the world of phone phreaking and Blue Boxes, they became inspired by their peers in the phone phreaking community. To fit in and maintain anonymity, they adopted catchy aliases. Steve Wozniak took on the persona of Berkeley Blue, reflecting his fascination with the innovative and rebellious spirit of Berkeley, California. Steve Jobs, always one to infuse humor and creativity into their adventures, became Afterbark. With their newfound identities, they set out to share the magic of their Blue Box with others. College dorms became their stage as they astounded potential customers with long-distance calls to far-flung international destinations. However, it wasn't just the technical wizardry that defined their journey. It was the element of humor, pranks, and good-natured mischief that added an extra layer of excitement to their adventures. The robbery. The story took a sudden and dangerous turn when Jobs and Wozniak decided to take their Blue Box sales venture to a pizza parlor in Sunnyvale. Their willingness to sell their creation led them to an unexpected and risky encounter. A prospective buyer, initially appearing interested in their product, suddenly revealed a gun, threatening them at point-blank range. Jobs, renowned for his quick thinking and ability to adapt even in the most challenging situations, knew that caution was their only option. With a calm demeanor, he carefully handed over the blue box to the assailant, ensuring their safety. Fortunately, the two Steves emerged from this harrowing experience unharmed, but the encounter left an indelible mark on their journey, teaching them valuable life lessons. The birth of Apple's spirit. Beyond the financial gains of their blue box venture, this daring chapter of Jobs and Wozniak's journey played a pivotal role in shaping their future endeavors. It wasn't just about making a profit. It was about learning how to collaborate effectively, solve complex technical problems, and transform innovative ideas into tangible products. This newfound confidence became the cornerstone of their future collaborations. The blue box was not just a device, it was a symbol of their entrepreneurial spirit and their unwavering belief that they could change the world through technology. It paved the way for what would become the birth of Apple Incorporation, a company that would redefine the landscape of technology and innovation for generations to come. Wealthy youngsters, let's put your knowledge to the test with a quiz based on what you've learned in this chapter about Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak's early adventures. Get ready for a challenge. Question 1. What inspired Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak to explore the world of phone phreaking and the blue box? I. A newspaper article. B. A documentary. C. A school project. D. A science fiction book. Question 2. What was a blue box and what could it do? I. A music player. B. A computer. C. A device for making free long-distance calls. D. A game console. Question 3. What were the aliases used by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in their phone phreaking adventures? I. Mario and Luigi. B. Berkeley Blue and Afterbark. C. Alpha and Beta. D. Starman and Nebula. Question 4. How did the encounter at the Sunnyvale Pizza Parlor change the course of their blue box venture? I. They decided to sell their invention to the highest bidder. B. They stopped selling blue boxes altogether. C. They went on a vacation to rethink their strategy. D. They formed a partnership with the assailant. Question 5. What significant lesson did Jobs and Wozniak learn from their blue box adventure? I. The importance of keeping secrets. B. How to create a successful software company. C. The value of collaboration and entrepreneurship. D. How to become professional phone phreakers. Question 6. What did the blue box adventure ultimately pave the way for? I. The birth of Apple Incorporation. B. A career in the telecommunications industry. C. A life of crime. D. The world's largest pizza chain. Test your knowledge and select the correct answers. Good luck, and let's see how well you've absorbed the story of the two Steves. Let's reveal the answers to the quiz and provide explanations for each one. Question 1. What inspired Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak to explore the world of phone phreaking and the blue box? The answer is A. A newspaper article. Steve Wozniak stumbled upon an article in Esquire, a popular magazine, which described the activities of phone phreakers and their techniques for making free long-distance calls. This article piqued Wozniak's curiosity and led to their exploration of the blue box. Question 2. What was the blue box, And what could it do? The answer is C. A device for making free long-distance calls. The blue box was a device that Jobs and Wozniak designed and built. It could generate the specific tones needed to manipulate the phone system, allowing them to make long-distance calls without incurring charges. Question 3. What were the aliases used by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak in their phone phreaking adventures? The answer is B. Berkeley Blue and Oftobark. Jobs adopted the alias Oftobark, while Wozniak went by Berkeley Blue. These aliases allowed them to maintain anonymity while engaging in their phone phreaking activities. Question 4. How did the encounter at the Sunnyvale Pizza Parlor change the course of their blue box venture? The answer is B. They stopped selling blue boxes altogether. The frightening encounter with a prospective buyer who brandished a gun made Jobs and Wozniak rethink their strategy. They decided to stop selling blue boxes due to the associated risks. Question 5. What significant lesson did Jobs and Wozniak learn from their blue box adventure? The answer is C. The value of collaboration and entrepreneurship. The blue box adventure taught Jobs and Wozniak the importance of working together effectively and solving technical challenges. It also ignited their entrepreneurial spirit, showing them that they could create and sell innovative products. Question 6. What did the blue box adventure ultimately pave the way for? The answer is A. The birth of Apple Incorporation. The blue box venture not only provided them with valuable experience, but also laid the foundation for their future collaborations. It instilled in them the confidence that they could bring innovative ideas to life, leading to the creation of Apple Inc., a technology giant that has shaped the modern world. Great job if you got these answers right! You've gained a deeper understanding of the early adventures of Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Stay tuned for more exciting chapters in their remarkable journey.